Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to start IT subject. The first chapter you have computer software and languages. In this chapter we are going to learn generation of computer language, computer software and its types. Number system. Okay. So first we are going to start generation of computer language. The first of all, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device, and computer have two main components. One is hardware and second one is software. A computer is simply the combination of computer hardware and computer softwares. First, hardware. Hardware is a physical parts of a computer. Okay. So what are the hardware parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, joystick, CPU. These are the computer hardware parts. Okay. What are the computer software parts? The software is a set of programs. Example, in computer we are using the softwares MS Office, Paint, Notepad, Photoshop, games software. Okay, you playing the games and in mobile, these are also the software only. Multimedia, listening the song, no, that is a multimedia. These all are the software. Without software, the computer is, how computer will run without software is impossible. Okay, software MS Office is not there, then how we can create the PowerPoint presentation? Mouse is there, keyboard is there. Okay, all hardware parts are there to computers, but software is not installed in computer. The MS Office is not there. It's possible to create the PowerPoint presentation. If games are not there in computer, it's possible to create the it's possible to play the games? No. And suppose in computer the keyboard is not there, hardware part, the mouse is not there, the hardware part, is possible to type, is possible to send the input to computer? No. So computer, both are necessary. Okay, hardware and software. So that computer is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, now computer languages. How programmers create the software? Using computer languages. Okay, so first, in order to communicate with each other, we need to know a language like a Marathi, English, Hindi, Kannada, etc. Okay, however, a computer does not understand these languages. So if we want to communicate with each other, which language we are now, I am speaking with you, I am communicating with you, which language I am using? English. Okay, at home you are using Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, but for communication we want the source language. And now I want to speak with computer, together communication I want, then which language, which is the computer language? You know? No. But computer not understand this any language. Human language computer not understand. Then you are thinking we are speaking with computer in only English, and computer understand that what Miss is saying. But computer not understand that language. But how it's possible? How we are speaking in English, Marathi, Hindi with computer? So we are going to see next. We need to communicate with computer in a language that the computer understand. Okay, the language that a computer can understand are divided into 4 categories. So in this chapter we are going to learn the computer languages. Okay, computer not understand human languages like Marathi, Hindi, English, Kannada. Okay, computers have their own languages, and what are that computer languages we are going to learn today. the generation of computer languages. See, in this chart I have given there are four types of computer languages. Okay, the low level language, the high level language, the 4GL and artificial intelligence language. In low level language, there are two low level languages of a computer. One is machine language. We can call that first generation language also. Okay, this is a basic language of a computer. And second one is assembly language or a second generation of a computer. And high level language, we can that's called the third generation computer also. And 4GL means fourth generation language. Okay, and artificial intelligence language means we can call that fifth generation language. Now next part we are going to see the deep information about the languages. The first is low level languages. The low level languages are low level languages. One is machine language and the second one is assembly language. Okay, machine, it is the most basic and lowest level of a computer language. It is also the first programming language that was developed and used in a computer. It is only language that a computer can understand. Okay, instruction in any order language are first converted in language which machine language, so that computer understand only machine language. Machine language means 0 and 1s, is a binary language. A computer understand only binary language, 0 and 1. Okay, now we are speaking in Marathi, we are speaking in English with computer, but computer not understand that. Computer understand only 0 and 1s. Okay, so what they do, computer, whatever we are speaking in English with computer, they convert that. Okay, computer convert that language in 0 and 1s. Again 0 and 1s convert in English and we get the output. Okay, so this means everything need to be converted in zeros and ones before the computer can understand it. We are comfortable in English. Okay, we are comfortable in Hindi, we are comfortable in Marathi, but computer is comfortable in only 0 and 1s. So whatever we are typing, the translator is there. Once translator is already in computer, so in language, what they do, the language, programming languages, they translate our language, human language, in computer language, again computer language in human language. Okay, so first one is machine and second one is assembly language. So machine language is a very basic language and it's need to computer understand in machine 0 and 1s. Then what about the assembly language? Assembly language means second generation language. It has the same structure and set of commands as of machine language, same as it is in machine language, like a machine language. However, it enables the user to use common names in place of zeros and ones. Okay, so assembly language is a symbolic types language. Some zeros, instead of zeros ones, they have given some what? The common names. Okay, so that's called the assembly language. Assembly language written for one type of computer will not run on another type of computer. Okay, so it's a symbolic instruction code, like a symbols they are designed in assembly language. But the first and second generation languages are very tough to use, is impossible to learn zeros and ones. Okay, so it's very hard to write a coding. That's why the next generation language, the high level language, has developed. Okay, So the difference between high level language and low level language, the low level programming language is a 0 and 1, see in the diagram. Okay, but computer understand that very fast. But the high level language is a coding we are doing in our human language. Okay, but is going process is taking the time to understand computer very slow. Okay, but we all humans are comfortable to use a high level language. So high level language, the computer programming language, low level are first generation and second generation. The first generation language is machine language and the second generation language is what? Assemble language. Okay, assembly language. And the third generation language will come high level language, and fourth generation language is used for development, and in the fifth generation language is a artificial intelligence. We are going to see the next deep high level language or third generation language. High level language is called also HLL, is a programming language such as a C, Fortran or Pascal, C++ that enables a programs to write programs that are more or less independent of a particular type of computer. Such languages are considered high level because they are closer to human language and further from machine language. Okay, why it is high level language? Because these languages are very friendly to human. We understand very fast, and language what they do, our language is converted in machine language, again machine to human language, then it's going on very smoothly. That's next, third one is a 4GL or a fourth generation language. Fourth generation language are used to develop software and a very complex programming language. Okay, is usually used for developing a software. The example of these languages are Visual Basic, Java, Advanced Java, Python, okay, and PL, SQL, Oracle, etc. Especially these languages are using for creating a software, MS Office, Photoshop, these are the software na. So development of software, these languages are specially used. That's why that's called the fourth generation, is a next generation language comparing the high level language. The last one is fourth one is a artificial intelligence language. The artificial intelligence is a, what is this? The artificial intelligence languages are language that are being developed. These are already developed and is a future development also. The artificial is going on development for a future. Once programmed, these languages will make the computer solve a given problem without programmer in future. The best example, the Java, Python, Lisp, Prolog and C++ are a major AI programming languages used for artificial intelligence capable of satisfying different needs in the development and the designing of different software, is used for designing the advanced software. Okay, the best example of a artificial intelligence is a robots are an example of systems running with a artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are the four types of computer languages, and there are total 5 generations of a computer languages. What is the first generation language? That is a machine language. Second generation language, that is a assembly language. Third generation language, that is a high level language. Fourth generation language, that is a 4GL, and the last one, fifth generation language, that is a artificial intelligence. So friends, today you have the homework. Make one PowerPoint presentation on generation of computer language, and the hint for you, make a chart of generation use a chart option for a generation of computer language.